Hey, what's up, guys? Tanmay here, and today this entire video is going to be a little serious one. This is related to a recent incident that happened in our lives, and by the title, you must have got a little bit of understanding. But just to give you first a summary, that we feed a lot of stray dogs in my society, in my colony, and one of the dog got missing, and he got missing on 18th of August, and we searched for him a few days. We were unable to find him for a few days. We contacted this animal communicator. She said that he has passed away, and we didn't really believe her, but we were very depressed by that news. Later few days, we were still trying to find him because we did not give hopes, and miraculously someone spotted him, and then few days after searching we found him. So this was just a summary of the entire timeline. Now I will explain to you in detail what happened every day. But for those who are animal lovers, for those who have pets, for those who feed stray animals like dogs and stray cats, and look out for the animals, or basically are just animal lovers or kind human beings, please watch this video till the end, because you guys will learn something that we learned it the hard way. And I hope that this is a learning lesson for all of you guys to stay away from this so-called animal communicators kind of scam. It's not necessarily a scam, but it is something which may or may not impact your life negatively. In the situation where such kind of incident happens, where a dog goes missing or a cat goes missing, एंड ये हमने एक बहुत गंदा एक्सपीरियंस लिया है एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर से, जो मैं आपको अभी पूरा डिस्क्राइब करूँगा क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करो ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिए, बिकॉज इसमें आई विल ऑल्सो पुट द वीडियो एंड ऑडियो क्लिप्स फॉर प्रूफ ऑफ द एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर, जो बेसिकली लाइव हमारे कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में शी इज़ टॉकिंग टू दिस लॉस्ट डॉग टॉम, एंड वो टेलीपैथी से कम्युनिकेट कर रही है उसके साथ, एंड शी इज़ टेलिंग दैट ही इज़ पास्ट अवे. But basically in that same video I will show that Tom is right besides us, he's alive. So that we did that video just for proof, and just to showcase and showcase you guys, as well as proof for ourselves कि वो कितना झूठ बोल रही है and कितना fake है. So that was the whole purpose. So I will show that video later on in this video, and ये video थोड़ा लंबा चलेगा, but if you really care for animals and if you want to avoid such situation, please make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so to start off, my name is Tanmay Sakpal. I stay in Goregaon, and I and along with some of my friends, we've been feeding some stray dogs in my colony, in my society, and we look out for them. And we started this during the pandemic, and it's been 2+ years now. We've been doing it every day. So every day हम लोग रात को, कुछ सोसाइटी के 10 डॉग्स है, अराउंड 10 डॉग्स है, तो हम लोग उन लोग का ख्याल रखते हैं. ये 2 साल में हम लोग ने उनका वैक्सीनेशन कराया. वी गॉट देम स्टेरलाइज्ड and we feed them daily. So I'm not an animal activist. I'm not into actively participating into animal welfare, but बस हम हमारे सोसाइटी के कुछ डॉग्स का ख्याल रखते हैं, and that's about it. Okay, so that's a little bit of history about me and my friends in this society. Before I proceed, let me tell you guys what a animal communicator is. Okay, so this is my understanding, and this term is relatively new for me also. Maybe I got to know about what an animal communicator is like 1 or 2 years ago, राइट. इवन दो आई हैव बीन अ एनिमल लवर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर नाम का कोई ऐसा पर्सन होता है. सो एंड आई एम श्योर कि मैनी ऑफ यू गाइज माइट नॉट बी नोइंग इट. इवन इफ यू आर अ एनिमल लवर, इवन इफ यू हैव पेट्स, you might not be knowing this kind of thing. But let me tell you that it is real and it exists. And what this is basically a person who claims that he can talk to animals, be it a cat, be it a dog, or any animal, in a telepathic way, in a psychic way, and they can communicate via that, and they can tell you where a particular dog is if he's lost. They can also talk with dead animals and tell you what they're feeling, how they are. They can talk with that spirit. अब ये सब उनका क्लेम है एज अ एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर. आई डोंट हैव द फुल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ दिस वर्क्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट्स वेरी स्केप्टिकल. सो ये बहुत शेडी चीज़ है, and I don't know how it really works. And surprisingly, I have heard many people have positive outcomes with animal communicators, where these animal communicators have guessed a lot of correct things about their pets. So that is surprising, but I will have an explanation for that at the end of this video, so watch that. But yeah, this is what basically an animal communicator is. Okay, so whenever a dog or a cat or a pet goes missing or dies or has an unfortunate event or has behavioral issues, people sometimes contact these guys to understand what is actually happening, or where the dog is, where the cat is, etc., etc. Okay, so this is the scenario of an animal communicator. Okay, so now that you've got a basic understanding of what an animal communicator is and what these guys do, before I let you know all the sequence of events that happened, a quick disclaimer. I don't want to, personally target any particular person over here. I don't want to do defamation of any particular animal communicator in general. That is not the motive of this video. The motive of this video is to let you guys know that such kind of scam exist, and to be aware of such kind of incidences, and to never fully trust these guys. Okay, so that is the motive, because we have had a negative experience. As I said, this animal communicator told us that Tom is dead, but after few days we found him. एंड ये सारे चीज़ मैं प्रूफ के साथ बताऊंगा, आगे आप वीडियो में देखोगे। वो बंदी के साथ हम लोग कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल कर रहे हैं, वो बंदी बता रही है कि मैं टॉम के डेड स्पिरिट से कम्युनिकेट कर रही हूँ एंड ही इज़ इन हैप्पी प्लेस, वेर एज इन दैट वीडियो इट सेल्फ I will show you that Tom is alive right beside us. Okay, so that is the kind of crazy thing that happened with us, and वो चीज़ मैं आपको expose करके बताऊंगा. But quickly आपको एक सीक्वेंस ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स बता देता हूँ टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से, टॉम कब गायब हुआ, हाउ वी फाउंड हिम एंड हाउ दिस एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर वाज मिसलीडिंग अस. ओके, सो ऑन 18th ही वाज लास्ट सीन, 18th of August ही वाज लास्ट सीन इन दिस कॉलोनी. 19th को हमको दिखा नहीं, बिकॉज वी डेली फीड डॉग्स एट नाइट, राइट. तो रात को 19th को हम लोग को दिखा नहीं, बट वी अज्यूम कि यही कहीं कॉलोनी में घूमता फिरता होगा, बिकॉज आवर सोसाइटी इज़ लार्ज. तो यूजुअली समटाइम्स दे डोंट कम टू इट. सो 20th को भी पूरा दिन दिखा नहीं, एंड रात को भी रियलाइज कि मे बी ही इज़ मिसिंग, और मे बी उसके साथ कुछ हुआ है, मे बी वो बीमार है या फिर कहीं पे रेस्ट कर रहा है. तो वी डिसाइडेड टू सर्च द कॉलोनी, बट कॉलोनी में भी हमको दिखा नहीं वो. सो बाय 20 रात को वी वर वेरी वरीसम अबाउट हिम, एंड वी स्टार्टेड टू पैनिक काइंड ऑफ, बिकॉज टॉम इज़ नॉट अ डॉग हु विल वॉन्डर ऑफ अवे फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. ही इज़ वेरी शाई, ही इज़ वेरी वीक, ही इज़ काइंड ऑफ फिजिकली डिजेबल्ड ऑल्सो, जो ज़्यादा भाग भी नहीं सकता है. तो वो ऐसा डॉग नहीं है जो कहीं दूर कॉलोनी छोड़ के चले जाएगा, एंड ही इज़ यूजुअली इन 1 or 2 एरियाज ओनली. So from 21st we actually started to search from the morning itself. We started to search the vicinity. हम लोग आजू बाजू के कॉलोनीज एंड सोसाइटीज़ में जाने लग गए, एंड पूरा दिन ढूंढने के बाद वो कहीं पर भी नहीं दिखा, एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन वी रियलाइज्ड टॉम माइट बी एक्चुअली मिसिंग. तो तभी वी डिसाइडेड टू कॉन्टैक्ट दिस एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर, एंड ये एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर यश के कोई दोस्त के थ्रू, कॉन्टैक्ट के थ्रू उसको ये कॉन्टैक्ट मिला था. And personally we are very skeptical, we don't believe in all these things, but in that moment, in that emotional state, we didn't have any option, right. 2 दिन हो गए थे, हमको टॉम दिखा ही नहीं है, अब क्या करें. पूरा आजू बाजू देख लिया, कॉलोनी के सारे एरियाज में सर्च कर लिया, so he was not there. And that in that stressful and emotional state, we decided let's ask this animal communicator if she can locate him, and maybe अगर उससे कुछ सही आंसर्स या सही रिस्पॉन्सेज मिले, एंड मिराकलियसली अगर हमको टॉम मिल गया तो सही होगा, राइट. सो 21st को यश ने ये बंदी से कांटेक्ट किया. वो बंदी ने हम लोग को एक क्वेश्चन भेजा, विच हैड क्वेश्चंस विच वर आस्किंग डिटेल्स अबाउट टॉम, एंड शी सेड टू यश कि शी विल कम्युनिकेट विद टॉम साइकिकली इन और टेलीपैथिक वे में, एंड शी विल अपडेट अस वेयर टॉम इज. ओके, सो ये हुई बात 21st की. अब 22nd के मॉर्निंग को ये एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर ने यश को कांटेक्ट किया, कॉल किया सुबह, एंड शी सेड दैट अनफॉर्चुनेटली टॉम हैज़ पास्ड अवे इन एन एक्सीडेंट. अब ये जब न्यूज़ यश को पता चली तो ही वॉज इन शॉक. उसने तो हमको दोपहर तक बताया भी नहीं था, बिकॉज ही कुडंट डाइजेस्ट इट, ही कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट टू से. अब इमेजिन करो यार, आपका पेट कहीं खो गया है, एंड यू कॉन्टैक्ट सच एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर्स, एंड सडनली दे से कि उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, एंड दैट पेट हैज़ पास्ड अवे. सो इट्स गोना बी वेरी ट्रॉमेटिक फॉर यू, राइट. आपको वो न्यूज़ कैसे हैंडल करनी है यूजुअली वो मोमेंट में नहीं समझता है. तो दिस इज़ वॉट हैपेंड विद यश, एंड लेटर ऑन व्हेन ही टोल्ड अस, इवन वी वर शॉक्ड, एंड द ओनली थिंग इन आवर माइंड दैट वाज गोइंग इज लेट्स जस्ट आस्क दिस एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर कि भाई ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, इफ ही इज़ पास्ड अवे at least tell us where exactly that happened, so that we can go to that place and search for him. Okay, so that was the only intention. तब तक हमारी एज इन मेरी एंड मेरा दूसरा दोस्त शुभंकर, उसकी बात ये बंदी से नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ यश की बात हो रही थी. सो दिस इज ऑन 22nd. ओके, सो 22nd को हम लोग बहुत डिप्रेस्ड है आफ्टर गेटिंग टू नो दिस. वी वर स्टिल लुकिंग आउट फॉर टॉम इन द एरियाज, बट दिस न्यूज़ हैड अ वेरी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन अस. एंड देन 23rd को we were still searching, we didn't give up on Tom. We were like यार अगर वो मर भी गए तो लेट्स एटलीस्ट सर्च फॉर हिज बॉडी, एटलीस्ट ही डिजर्व्स अ प्रॉपर बरियल। एंड सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे थे दिमाग में कि यार उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, कैसे बेचारा पेनफुली मरा होगा, ये वो एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, ऑल दीज थॉट्स वर कमिंग ऑन। And ultimately 23rd को evening को I, Yash and Shubhankar had a conference call with this lady, and the whole point of that call was to know at least कि भाई अगर आप पता कर सको कि ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ कहाँ, because according to her Tom had passed away, right? But she was not ready to tell us the location. She was like, Tom is not telling me the exact location. That is when we realized, okay, something is shady now, and this sounds crazy. And also do note that she had taken 2,500 rupees upfront from us to do all this animal communication. Okay, so it's not just scamming people and using their emotions. It's also taking money from them. So ultimately, what happened is in that call we asked some questions. Ki how did Tom die? Like was it, where was it, and what is his state? And we are thinking that this lady is talking with Tom's dead spirit. At least that is what she was claiming. And on the call itself, while the conference call is on, she is pretending to talk to Tom's dead spirit, because whatever questions we were asking her, वो वही क्वेश्चंस वही कॉल पे पूछ रही है कि टॉम आप कहाँ पर हो अभी, आप कैसे, आपको कैसे फील हो रहा है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So all this bullshit she is doing live in front of us, right? And it was very very crazy for us. हम लोग को वो बहुत शॉकिंग लगा कि भाई हम लोग कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल पे ये बंदी के साथ बात कर रहे हैं और ये बंदी साइकिकली बोलो या टेलीपैथिक वे में टॉम से बात कर रही है. सो फॉर अस इट वाज अ वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? सो इट वाज वेरी क्रेजी. वी वर वेरी स्केप्टिकल कि भाई ऐसे सब होता भी है क्या. And after this conference call, we were like, अब क्या करें? And we were very sad, but we decided not to give up. And this is on 23rd, right? Yeah, this is on 23rd of August. On 23rd of August, we then ultimately decided to put a social media post for Tom and share it amongst all the NGOs and animal activists, whoever we can find, and share it with all our friends. So as soon as I put that post in the evening on 23rd after this conference call, one lady from Prabodhan area, which is quite far away from our society. It's around probably 1.5 kilometers or more than that from our society. वहाँ से एक लेडी का कॉल आया यश को, and she said that I have spotted this dog in my area a couple of days ago. And that is when we started being hopeful and we realized that Tom has wandered off far away. तो हम लोग तो हमारे vicinity में ही check कर रहे थे, but we have to increase our search radius and search area. So then from 23rd we started searching that area. We shared our numbers with all the security guards in that area, and some of them said that they've seen a skinny dog like Tom. 24th को यश को अगेन कॉल आया. यश वहाँ पे जाके देख के आया. वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने बोला ये डॉग हम लोग को सुबह सुबह दिखा है. अल्टीमेटली वो दिन भी बहुत हम लोग ने ढूंढा लेकिन मिला नहीं. बट फाइनली 25th को अर्ली मॉर्निंग को यश को कॉल आया सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का. यश वहाँ पे 6 बजे सुबह सुबह गया. वहाँ पे आधा घंटा ढूंढा एंड फाइनली फाउंड टॉम. ओके, सो दैट वाज अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट. 25th को यश को टॉम मिला. यश ने उसको कॉलोनी में लेके आया. ही मैसेज्ड अस. वी वर स्लीपिंग, बट लेटर व्हेन वी फाउंड आउट, वी वेंट डाउन एंड मेट टॉम एंड वी वर ऑल वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. After that happy moment on 25th of August, later when we were talking with each other, we realized that basically we kind of got scammed by this animal communicator, because ये बंदी ने हमको 22nd को ही बोल दिया कि Tom has passed away, whereas we found Tom on 25th alive, right? So she not only took 2500 from us, पैसे तो गए ही, but the next thing that she did is she played with our emotions. She gave us false information which could have actually led to the death of Tom. Because अगर हम लोग उसकी बात सच्चाई मान लेते थे, अगर उसकी बात हम सच मान लेते थे and हम लोग टॉम को ढूंढना बंद कर देते थे, तो maybe he would have really got lost, right? This is the real problem of this whole animal communicator scam. Is if you believe in these guys, if what they say, and if it is not true, then basically they are playing with your emotions and giving you misdirections which can be actually more harmful to that animal, right? So this is the whole problem of this animal communicator scam. So on 26th we called her back, and what we did is we pretended that Tom is still missing. We pretended that we've still not found Tom, and we basically bluffed her by pretending to not know where Tom is. We asked few more questions, and in that, while asking the questions, we also made a video recording where she is communicating with Tom's dead spirit in front of her, whereas Tom is like besides us. So वो वीडियो में उसको पता नहीं था कि हमको टॉम मिल गया है, right? And she is still pretending कि Tom is dead, and she's communicating with Tom's dead spirit on the call while I'm recording the video, whereas in reality Tom हमारे बाजू में ही है. तो हम लोग ने वो पूरा उसको एक्सपोज कर दिया, वो वीडियो ले लिया, एंड उसके बाद भी फॉट विथ हर एंड वी सेड दैट जो आपने बोला है बहुत फॉल्स है, आपने हमारे इमोशंस के साथ खेला है, आपने हमको गलत न्यूज़ बताया, तो हमको हमारे पैसे भी दे दो. तो इनिशियली शी वॉज काइंड ऑफ फाइटिंग ऑल्सो विद अस, but ultimately she realized her mistakes and she transferred us the money back. Okay, so now I'll play that video clip. Just watch that video clip, it's crazy, and you'll realize how much of a fraud and scam this is. What's up guys, अभी हम लोग वो एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर को लाइव कॉल कर रहे हैं, एंड हम लोग एक्ट करने वाले कि टॉम इज़ इज़ पास्ट अवे, एंड हम लोग को मालूम नहीं अभी भी टॉम कहाँ पे, एंड हम लोग ऐसा उसको और क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर प्रूफ. ओके, बाय द वे टॉम इधर ही है पीछे, अगर आपको दिखाऊँ तो ये रहा टॉम जो हम लोग को कल ही मिला है. एंड सो द होल पर्पस ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज़ टू एक्सपोज हर इन अ वे दैट वो हम लोग को जो लाइज बोल रही है उसको हमको रिकॉर्डिंग करना है, बिकॉज शी हैज़ टेकन 2500 रुपीज़ फ्रॉम अस, एंड वो क्लेम कर रही है कि टॉम हैज़ पास्ट अवे. ओके, सो हम लोग को जस्ट बताना है कि टॉम इज़ हियर, बट हम लोग बिहेव करेंगे कि हम लोग को मालूम नहीं है टॉम किधर है, और हम लोग ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे जिससे शी विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन अस मोर. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज. लगा भाई, कॉल लगा, डायरेक्ट कॉल लगा.
Hi.
Hello, hi.
I can hear you. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Actually, I had some questions regarding Tom.
Regarding Tom?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought the consultant was off.
Sorry?
I thought the consult finished for this. अभी चलते ही बारे कैसे?
Yeah, actually, we are still not able to digest his death right now, so we still had like some questions in mind.
Sorry, digest the death is not accepting, right? That is something you have to come and tell. What can I say to you to convince you? Nothing can convince you. You have to believe and you have to trust.
Only one, two questions. That's it.
हाँ बोलो, क्या बात है? Hello.
Hello. Yeah, actually, I wanted to know that what time did he die? Like, do you know? Like, which date, time, anything?
He didn't say anything of the kind.
Yeah, but still, like, anything?
How was I going to help you? Tell me that.
I just wanted to know, just
For his anniversary na,
for that, his death anniversary.
So that what?
For his death anniversary.
Okay, wait, let me ask you. Tom, can you throw some light on what time and what date you passed away? He left in the evening or in the morning?
In the evening. Okay.
So he shows an evening time where he's kind of running after somebody on the road, and I think there's another dog or another bitch, and that's when he kind of the car approaches him. So it's if he went away in the evening, then it's the same day evening, or if he ran away in the
Okay.
morning, so it's either that particular day or the next day.
18th of August ना, मतलब 18th
18.
of August, right ma'am?
So 18th or 19th in the evening he passed away.
Okay.
So he shows me like a twilight time, like around 6 or 7
Okay.
in the evening when it's getting a little dark but there's still light.
Okay.
That kind of a time. So that's the time he passed away.
Okay, and if did the car purposely hit him, or was it an animal cruelty case, or?
No, it wasn't like a hit. It's like, when he saw that car coming, so he did come under it, but it was like, he almost died of shock.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's like he saw that speeding car when he realized that he was going to hit it. He did come under it, but he doesn't show me any blood or anything.
Okay.
But yes, but he passed away like
ma'am, right
instantly.
now,
There
when
was no
talking
pain.
to his spirit, like how he is in his spiritual form, how he is feeling now?
I told you, he's very happy. He was running around and like in a very happy place. Like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, he's in a better place when people pass away. This fellow is actually in a better place.
Okay, okay.
He's not connected to anyone. He doesn't feel any pain from that accident. He's in a very happy place.
Okay.
See, he almost died of sugar. Remember I told you, then you said yes, his siblings had come under the car. So he was very fearful of cars. So for him, that speeding car and the fact that he was going to come under it was a shock in itself, and he passed away. He almost like had a heart failure.
Okay, okay.
Hi, this is Yash friend. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Just a second.
Yes, yes.
कट कर दिया उसने.
कट कर दिया.
ओके, सो आई होप आपने वो वीडियो देखा होगा जिसमें वो लाइव इन द कॉल शी इज टॉकिंग विद टॉम्स डेड स्पिरिट, आस्किंग हिम व्हेन ही पास्ड अवे, आस्किंग हिम asking him about the death anniversary, death date. She's asking Tom, whereas Tom is literally alive over there. Later on she's telling Tom passed away very peacefully, he didn't have any pain and all. Of course he didn't, because he's alive. In that video you can see that. So this is how crazy these animal communicators are. Okay, please do not believe in these animal communicator scams. At least don't go blindly, and also always trust your own gut feelings and don't give up on your animals. So this is the main motive of this video. I hope you found this informational. Please do share it with all the animal lovers, all the pet owners, all the people who are into animal welfare, and feed their stray dogs, stray cats, and look out after animals. This is very important, and this message has to be shared with all the animal loving family. Okay, so I'm gonna conclude this video over here. This was the whole set of events that happened. Ultimately, we are happy that Tom is alive. We found him. He has no injuries as such. He's doing fine. He's become very skinny and all. But lastly, I would just want to thank all of you guys, all of my friends who shared this information, who helped us in searching Tom. Some of the friends even took out time to look around in the vicinity. All the strangers, all the people who helped us while we were searching for Tom. Special thanks to all these security guards who were on the lookout and who actually took out time to call us when they spotted Tom, right? So there is a lot of kind humans all around, and I would like to thank all of them. And it is because of you guys, all of these guys, that Tom is alive, not because of this fraud and scamming animal communicator. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you have such similar incidences. Let me know what your thoughts are about this whole animal communicator situation. I would like to know your thoughts. I know some of you who have known about these animal communicators may have had positive reviews and positive impressions where they have guessed things correctly, but it is most likely just guesswork and not some real connection, and most of the times it is scams like this. So be aware, be alert. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.